Welcome to Home with the Doc. Well, I finally found a home inside of the perimeter of Atlanta. And if you are from Atlanta or you know anything about Atlanta, you know the traffic is horrible. So I really wanted to get inside the perimeter. So this is what the house looked like before. As you can see, the outside of the home needed a little bit of tender love and care. So I hired a gardener contractor to kind of help spruce up the front. So as you can see, we put down some edging and mulch and trimmed the tree back a little bit. And it really gave a really nice curb appeal. And it also brightened it up a little bit as well. Also, there's a bush near the garage. And as you can see, the bush kind of extended over the garage. So that caused a bit of a hazard trying to drive into the garage. So we trimmed that back and also added some mulch as well as some edging to that as well. And that also brightened it up and gave it a little bit more curb appeal. So I kind of felt really good about that. And then this is an area by the mailbox. As you can see, there's, oh my gosh, it looked a hot mess by the mailbox. The mailbox needed to be pressure washed. Oh my gosh, especially up at the top. It was just horrible. So the gardener and we put down some mulch again, and we also planted some flowers. So the flowers are starting to grow a little bit more now, and also we pressure washed the mailbox. So you'll see the after of that, and it really turned out really good. And this is what it looked like after the pressure washing. As you can see, it's a lot brighter and it looks so much better. Oh my goodness. Even the backside looks much better. And even on this picture, you can see where the flowers are starting to bloom. So again, the curb appeal was quite important to me. So you can see some of the changes of how I kind of changed the front. I added in some edging and some flowers. So again, we added some mulch as well to kind of give it a little bit more color and also some edging, and we added some gardenia bushes to that along with some flowers, and we kept the old bushes there on the right. So they seemed like they were pretty in pretty decent shape, so we didn't really bother those much. Now on to this paint color. Oh my goodness, who knew about all the different types of grays? Okay, sometimes your gray can look like a blue because it does have a hint of blue. So it was between a white metal, a chic gray, platinum color, which was also like a softer blue. Then the colors on the background was so dark, so adding primer to the paint was just not going to do it. So the painters actually had to prime the entire area where I was getting the paint, which was in the kitchen, the family room, the stairs, the hallway. So they had to prime all of that and then go over it with the paint. It was plastic everywhere, which I really had no idea that they would put plastic everywhere, but I guess that's what they do, as professionals. Although I almost slipped down the stairs one time. There was definitely a lot going on in my home. I had several guys there painting. I had another guy there installing a coffered ceiling in my dining room. At the same time, I had my washer and dryer delivered, and of course they did not want to go up the stairs, and I don't blame them. I didn't want them to get hurt either, because the stairs was covered in plastic. So just for their safety, they did not take the dryer and washer upstairs. But again, overall, there was a lot going on. But as you can see, there's plastic everywhere, I guess to protect the flooring, to protect the light fixtures, and to protect the countertop. So, but overall, I was really pleased that they were professional. They were on time. And I'm really looking forward to how everything turns out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.